4 marks and 5 marks question, you have to write everything, right? So, yeah, if you write shortly that question, then they will cut marks. I will talk about those things. I will pick a sample paper and then we'll solve it together. So, yeah, at 7:30, right? At 7:30, not 7:30, 6:30, 6:30 KST, which is 9 p.m. IST. Please be there, all of you guys. Okay, and the link will be same. Yeah, have you guys okay now? Everybody, hello, yes. Hallelujah.
Yes.
Okay, so what to do? Sorry. Okay, so yeah, we solved this question, right? Second one, and we understood about those three methods. That where should we apply the assumed mean or the step deviation method, and where we should apply the direct method. So we got to know about that, and now let us try the next question. Question is this part. Let us quickly solve. Okay, so we have this, the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of the children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is 18. Find the missing frequency, which is F, right? So this we have to find out. And the numbers are quite small, so we can use the direct. But so in this question, this frequency is not given, right? And we have to find out this F, but this mean is given, right? So we have to follow the same process, but we only know that X bar. Okay. Oh, the Sai Sharma. Okay. Yes, Shaima, you are late. Okay, so mean is given, right? And we have to use the same condition. So this we know, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So let us write everything that we know and let's see where we get. So this is what we know. So we will reach here, right? And then put the value of the mean. So 11 to 13, 13 to 15, and this was, I guess, one of the homeworks. So Hashid has sent me the homework. Amar also has sent me the homework. And what about rest of you guys? What about the homeworks, guys?
So can you tell the 12th one?
12th one.
12th. Wait, no, not 12th one. Sorry. The third, fourth, fifth. So fourth.
Fourth. Oh, the homework question. Fourth one.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will do that shortly, but let us do this question first, right? So we will do that.
Okay. Sir, I'll be what? Currently, I'm joining with the phone right now. So I'm trying to join with my laptop right now. So
Yeah. So you try that because your screen would be appearing to be so small and the numbers would be so small. So yeah, please join with the laptop. Okay, so frequency is this is 7 and 6, 9, 30, F, 5 and 4. And we have to calculate the class marks. So first thing that we calculate is the class marks, right? So this is how much? This is 12, then this is 14, then this is 16, and then this is how much? Let's say this is 18, 20, and 22, and 24. So we can use this assume mean method also, right? So let's say that, oh, okay, so it is already given that mean is 18, right? So we should not use that. So now let us find out that what is FIX. So this is 84, right? And this is again 84. And then this is how much? 144. Oh, this is how much? So 34, and then this is 20F, and then this is how much? And 4896. So this is what we have, right? So let's check again. So right, and okay, so this is what we have. Now let us add all these numbers. So what we will get? So summation of Fi would be how much? This is 44 plus F, I think. Yeah, 44 plus F. So this is summation of Fi. And then how much is this? So 6, 4, 10. This is 22. This is 35 and then 3. 752 plus 20. Right? This is what we have, right, guys? Is this clear, everyone? We are just multiplying and adding. Yes, everyone, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
This is a summation of Fixi. So we have calculated summation of Fixi. We have calculated some summation of Fi. So what do we know? We know that mean is summation of Fixi divided by summation of Fi. So this is given, which is 18, and this we have calculated 752 plus 20F, and then this is 44 plus F, right? So this would be how much? 792, okay, and then plus 18F, and then this is 752 plus 20F. So 792 minus of 752, and then this is 20F minus 80F. So this is 40, and then this is 2F. So F would be this much, 20. Okay. So 64 are the total terms. Yeah. So 20. Okay, can you guys check the answer from the NCERT? Let me check. This is a very high value, right? Uh, 1 and question number 13 point. Okay, F is 20. Okay, this much big number. Yeah, so did you understand, everyone? Everyone clear this question? Yes, guys, understood. So frequency was not given, the mean was given, right? And then we have to calculate this missing F. So we followed the same procedure that we, right? And ultimately we found out this summation of Fi xi, right? And summation of Fi. So how do we calculate this mean? So we just follow that those processes, right? And then in the end we just plug in the values. So then we got this F. So if anybody has any question, any doubt, please ask. Talha, Rizwan, Shaima, Ashid, Aisha, Shweb, Amar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, any question? You guys have any question, doubt? No. Okay, so you guys please note it down and yeah, let me see what was the fourth question that Amar is asked. So okay, Amar, what we'll do is that we'll take that question in the extra class. Okay, let's finish this part here because Aisha has
So when
yeah.
is the extra class?
So
When is
at
the extra class?
yeah at 6:30. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Sharma, this is the direct method, right? So in the direct method, you have this one, right? So I didn't use the assume mean method. Let's say if I use, so already given that mean is 18, right? And I'm assuming that mean is 18. So that would be absurd, right? So that is why I used this direct method. Okay. And in the assume mean method, what is the formula? This is the formula, right? And then you have the step deviation, which is A plus H Fi Ui and then Fi. So these are the three methods, right? So I'm using this direct. Okay, everybody note it down, and if you guys have any questions, so please ask. Otherwise, we will do the next. And you guys, please be in that extra class today.
Sir, can you again repeat extra class for what?
Extra class, what?
Yes, extra class for what?
Extra class, yeah. So we will. So that is the purpose of that extra class is to how do we answer those questions. So there are set of questions, right? 4, 5 A, B, C, D sections. So according to that, how should we answer? That class is about that. So we will pick a sample paper. I have picked a sample paper, and according to that, we will solve that question. Okay. So yeah, that's
When's the class?
6:30 KSA, which is 9 p.m. IST, right? So 6:30. Yes. Who got disconnected? Learnivio. Oh, Learnivio got disconnected. So you guys, please, whenever you guys have noted it down, so please tell.
Done, sir.
That's it.
Yeah. So Aisha, in your school, they are going to ask this statistics, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So only two things are remaining now, Aisha. One is mode and then median. So let us quickly finish this one and then we'll do this mode and median.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. Everyone noted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
let us do the Okay, so what is the next question? Fourth one. So 30 women. So we know that summation of Fi is 30, right? By doctor, the number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. So find the mean heartbeats per minute for these women, choosing a suitable method, right? So what is the average heartbeat, guys? Okay, in normal human, what is the average heartbeat per minute? That is around 71 to 74, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, you check your pulses, count. You have your watch, count the pulses, and then stop at 1 minute. So then you will see that. That if you are normal, then it would be around 72, and if you have some problem, then it would be a different number, right? Okay. So what I will do is that you guys know that which method you should use, guys, to find the harvey choosing a
So
suitable
step
method.
deviation.
Step deviation. So good, Aisha. So you guys do the step deviation and calculate what would be the mean. So you guys please, right. So you guys please calculate, use the step deviation method as Aisha say, and yeah. So So I'm letting you guys to do this problem because then you guys will, yeah, so practice this question and then you guys can see your calculations, right? Because if I do all the problem, then my calculation would be get stronger. So I don't want my calculation to be stronger. I want to be weak and I want your calculation to be strong, right?
Uh,
Okay, so yeah, you guys please calculate and tell. Oh, this is in point. Good. And then I will do, so these are the same questions, so I will leave it to you guys. Oh, this fifth one is a different question. Then all the rest ones are similar, so I will leave those and we will move on to the next exercise. Because all these one are similar, so you guys have to practice these questions. Otherwise, there would be some calculation mistakes. So so 5 3. So 1.5. So 66.5, 69.5, 70.5, 75.5, 8.5, 81.5, 80. And now rest is up to you. calculate DI, calculate UI, and then calculate FI, calculate FI. So these three you have calculated. And let's assume that this is A.
So what was finding DI formula?
Oh, so you have forgotten DI one.
I suddenly forgot.
So xi minus a, right?
Oh yes, yes.
So that is why I keep saying you guys that you guys have to practice, right? And UI is xi, or let me write this as,
It's minus A.
yeah, di by h.
Oh, okay, DI. Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
Hmm?
I have sent the forbidden thing.
Okay, so yeah.
So how do you find FIUI?
FIUI. Oh, so if you have, let's say, UI is, let's say, I don't know what is UI, let's say 3. So you multiply 3 into 2, that is FIUI, right? So this would be 6. So you have the table of UI, so you multiply it with all the FIs, right?
Okay, So the mean heartbeat is 17.1.
Yes, what point?
17.1.
17.1. Okay, so uh, 70.1 in here.
17.1.
17. So
Yes, sir.
you can see that mean should be in this range, right? You have assumed your mean to be 75.5. So the mean should be in this range, right? Did you multiply with the h? So
Yes, sir, I'm still getting the same one.
yeah, because from step deviation method, you should get h fi ui divided by fi, right? And maybe your h is or this thing is very large, right? So how much you are getting 60 or something like that? Around 60 you are getting this stuff. Because this is 75.5. And if I
Sir,
have,
I got my mistake.
yes,
Sir, I made a mistake in the calculation.
yeah, so that is why I gave this question to you guys, right? So you guys, good, good. So finding the mistake is also a good thing. So anybody else got the answer?
Sir.
So that is why you guys need practice, right? So let's say you have this question in your exam, and all the time this question will take. So you will have a few time for let's say other questions.
So the answer is 75.9.
Now this is now this is correct. So you got point 0.4, right? 75.5 plus point 0.4, right?
No, sir.
So then how do you go? How did you get this? So
Sir,
yours,
I got a big number as the numerator divided by 5.
okay. So you have right. So A is 75.5 and your answer is 75.9. So which means that you are getting this right. This
Sir, I didn't individually calculate that. I calculated it all together.
all together. Oh, okay. So this would be a small number. FIUI would be a small number, right?
Yes,
And
sir, it's 4.
it's 4. And then, okay, so it's 4. And then what is the total? The total was what? 30. So this is, it's 4. This one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you have 4 into how much is this? 3 and divided by 30, right? So that is why you're getting 0.4. That is what I said, right? This is 0. Good, good. So anyone else got the answer?
So then why do we need to find DI?
Because to calculate UI, you need UI is
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oopsies.
DI by H, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I forgot.
So you are still at this DI, UI. Where are you? This one.
I'm in FIUI. I
Oh,
forgot I used DI.
oh, okay, okay. So yeah, yes, yeah. So you guys quickly calculate, right? And we have to reach this fifth question as well. So
So we need to add at last, right?
yeah, so everyone, because this is summation, right? So we have to all FIUI that we got. So sum every FIUI.
Sir, I also got 75.9.
Good. So we have an agreement, right? So Shaima and Aisha got the answer. So you guys please.
So should we do the next question?
Next question is there is a trick to the next question. So that's why I'm waiting for the answer. So yes, Rizwan, Hashid, Amar, Shweb, Talha,
So I'm doing the mean.
me. Good. Remember, this term has to be 0.4. Then you'll get the answer. Or Shaima has already told that FIUI sum is 4. Oh, yeah. So sum of this is 4. So you guys
Yes,
can
sir.
check. Yeah, you also got 4.
Yes, yes.
Good, good. Then just directly say that that is 75.9. Yes,
Okay.
Tala sir.
Yes, 75.9.
Tala, Ashid, Amar, Shoaib. Oh, so already wrote in the chat box. So you got half yearly marks of math. Good. So yeah, can you tell me or it is not? So yes, Shaima, how was the score? Is it okay for me to ask or? Okay, so how much is that? So 60 point, yeah. So if we calculate, so we have to work, right? So good, good. So that is good. We have to improve more. 75.9. So how much is that in percentage? Right? So divide by 80 into 100.
No, sir, the 20 marks are for the assignments.
Oh, so 20 marks for the assignments. Yeah, so the written exam was of 80 marks, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, so in 80 you got that much, so which means that that is 60%, right? Around 61, 62, right?
I don't know, sir, I didn't calculate.
So you divide the number that you got by the total number 80 and then multiply by 100, right? So then you will get the percentage. So which means that we have to work a little more, right? Okay, and we had some chapters which we didn't cover, right? At that point. Right, so it's good. It's good. So we have to, yeah. Only thing that we have to practice more. Okay, Shaima.
Yes, sir.
So what were the chapters? You had one,
The
two,
first 8 chapters.
first
8 chapters.
eight. Yeah, first eight chapters. So we didn't complete those chapters, right? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, in the next time, right? So have you gotten cold? Are you suffering from cold?
That was we actually unmuted.
Oh, oh. Okay. Yeah.
Awkward.
Yeah. Good, good. So 75.9. Oh, so everybody got 75.9. Yeah. So Amar, only you and Talha are left. Talha and
Uh, so it was- so what is I was over unmute before to say, but son, I could say it was
oh.
75.9.
So are you taking some medicine, Amar?
Are you crying?
I
And
thought that I thought that Shaiba told her marks and then she started. Sorry, Shaiba. And then she started crying. So
that I was just sick.
okay, yes. So yeah. Okay, Tala, where are you? Tala, sir, are you listening? Did you reach the answer? Or yeah. So how far you have reached, Tala? Yes, or is there any doubt? Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I remember this sound. So the chirping of birds. Yes, Tala, what are you saying? Yes, Tala. Yes, Tala, are you saying something? Okay. So maybe Tala's mic is not working. So let us move on to the next question, right? Everybody got the answer. So yeah, guys, we need to practice, right? And Shaima, so this mark, yeah. So uh, okay, so this mark doesn't show your caliber. So you are very better than that, right? So we have to work again, right, Shama? Okay,
Yes.
yeah. So because I know your caliber, I know your potential. So this mark doesn't represent your potential. So we have to, and we also didn't complete those chapters, right? So they started the school and they took eight chapters. So usually one should take three or four chapters gradually and then get the idea of the exam and then take eight chapters. Directly 8 chapter is not, but in that scenario you scored this much. So this is good, right? So I heard Amar's voice. I got and I got confused that you are upset. So yeah, this is good. Without preparation, you have scored this way. So good. Okay, who is texting? One moment, guys. Okay, so the next question, as you guys can see that. Oh, so did Talha join back? Yes, sir. Is your mic working? Talha. Okay. So, as you guys can see that, what can you guys see in this class interval? Can you tell me? Yeah, what is the difference?
Sir, it is discontinuous.
Yes, absolutely right. So this class interval, as you can see that, this is from 50 to 52, and then we have this 53. Usually, whatever class interval we have up to this point, so this had continuous, right? So this was upper limit in the preceding class interval, and in the successive class interval, it had become the lower limit. So this was a continuous class interval. But in here we can see that this is 50 to 52, and then we have the other limit, right? So it has changed. So this is an example of discontinuous, as Aisha said. So discontinuous uh, group data, right? So, and the important point to note in here that all the whatever numbers, all the numbers are counted. Precisely, if I want to say that, upper limit is also counted, right? So you have two kinds of group data. Okay. Why everybody text me that? Yeah, so we have two kinds of grouped data. One is the continuous one that we were doing, and the other one is this discontinuous, right? So in the continuous one, the upper limits are not counted. Upper limits are not counted. So that is why we call this an exclusive data. And in this part, every limit is counted. So upper limits are counted. Okay, oh God. Okay, so upper limits are counted, and this is called the inclusive data, right? All the things are included. So you guys please note down this part, right? Please note down and then, yeah, so you guys please note it down and then we'll do this fifth question. Okay, so you guys please note it down and then we'll do this question. So in the previous class assessment, oh, that is in the next batch. Yeah, you guys have this class assessment today, so that is what I was talking about. And yeah, please be in that test. So I don't know, topic is different, but yeah, you guys please be in that test. Noted, everyone.
So what the numbers are what? Complete.
Counted.
Oh sorry, counted. I got it, sir.
Yeah, so upper limit is also counted. This is the difference between the continuous and discontinuous data. And we can change this discontinuous data into continuous one, right? And then we can do all the calculations. So this was only the difference. And then rest of the questions are same. So then this exercise is completed, right? So you guys quickly note it down and we have 5 minutes more. So, okay. So who has joined? Amira has joined.
Done, sir.
Yeah. Okay, everyone
Hmm.
noted?
No, sir.
No.
Wait, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the test has been activated.
Done, sir.
Done. Tala, Ashit, Shaima, everyone, Shoaib, Amar. Done.
Done.
Okay. So, and Amar, you take medicine, right? So, what are you taking?
Stop crying, Amar.
I'm not crying. I'm just extremely sick. I
How is
would. I want to cry today, but I can't because I got many problems.
I
Yes,
know
I'm
Okay.
planning.
life is a curse.
Okay. So, yeah, you please take care and take some medicines, right? Are you not taking any medicine?
And also, it's fine. It's just a runny nose, so it's fine. It'll just
Oh,
get back.
yeah, maybe some anti-allergic medicines, right? Because
Yeah.
the season is changing and this is pollen time, right? So pollination time. So that is why you may have some allergies to the pollen grains, and then this could trigger these whatever you have mostly
And
bleed on.
the
Yeah.
strange thing is that no one in my school is sick.
Oh, only you. Okay.
Yes.
So you spread this. So this can be spread, right? So
New
okay.
disease has been
They
found.
should have got a sick. They should have got a sick a few days ago, but they are still finding about.
Okay. Mm, yeah.
Eliminate him.
Yeah, so you take some, yeah, you consult some doctor and you can take some anti-allergy. Okay, so so without wasting time, so let us 56. what is that? 58, 59, 61, 62, 64. So the idea is that if you want to make it a continuous one, so we add plus 0.5 and we subtract in here minus 0.5. Right, so this would become 49.5 and then this becomes 52.5. So this is the new class interval. This becomes 52.5. This becomes 50 what? You are adding, so 55.5. And then this is 55.5 and then 58.5. And then 58.5 and 61.5. So 61.5, 64.5. So now as you guys can see that this is continuous one, right? And in this 52.5 is not counted, right? So that is why we add 0.5 in here in the upper limit. So idea is, let me write the idea that add 0.5 in upper limit and subtract 0.5 in lower limit. And then rest you can calculate, right? So now this is a continuous one. So you guys practice these fifth, sixth, whatever these questions. You guys please note it down and then we'll stop at here. And please be there in the extra class, all of you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this was the idea of this question, right? Yeah, you guys please note it down. And then you guys have this class assessment. So please log into your account, complete that test, right? And yeah, so then yeah, so you guys, oh, everybody is here. So yeah, whenever you guys have noted it down, please tell me, then I will end this class.
Done, sir.
Done. Good, good. Everyone, what about you guys?
No, sir.
No.
No.
Done, sir.
Done. Good. So
Um,
okay, everybody noted. So yeah, see you guys at 6:30 KSA. Okay, and which is 9 p.m. IST. So let me write this one. So 9 p.m. IST, or which is 6:30 KSA. This is also PM. Okay, everyone. So see you guys there. And yeah, when you log out, so please log into the Learnivio account and take that, complete that test. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Bye,
Bye,
Thanks, sir.
guys.
Bye, sir.
Bye, guys. Bye. Okay. So what we were doing? Yes. Hello, Abir, Amira, Tejasvi. Good evening. Good evening, guys. How are you guys? Walaikum salam.
Welcome, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Good
afternoon.
evening, sir.
Or anything. Good afternoon, good evening, good night. So yeah, let's okay. So yeah, good evening, Tejas. Okay, so all of you guys are good. So yeah, and before we start the next chapter, let us. So did you try the other questions? Homework. This time I didn't get any homework, guys. Abhi, what about the homework?
Sir, I forgot. I didn't do it.
Oh, you got. Okay, so but next time please do that, or right? Yeah. So there was this doubt that we skipped, right? So
Yes, sir. Question
yeah,
number 1.
question number one, right? So we reached this point and then it was I stopped at right. So after that there is only one thing that we needed to do, right? So we know that this is 90 and CAB, this is 30. So we need to just we need to just connect these 2 points, right? So what is this ACO triangle? What is this ACO triangle?
Right angle triangle.
Right angle triangle.
No,
ACO.
no.
ACO.
ACO.
Yes. What about this side?
Isosceles.
Isosceles. Right, right, everyone. Right, right, guys. So this is isosceles. This is 30. So this is how much?
30 degree.
30 degree, right? So this is 30. Now, if this is 30, so I don't know why this is given, but we don't need this one, right? We know this 90-degree angle. So now this is OC is a radius and this PQ is a tangent. And we have to find out PCA. So now you guys can tell me, right? What, how much this PCA would be? Yes. Okay, so let me rephrase the question. How much is 60, right? Why? Because PCAO is how much? PCO is how much?
90 degree.
90, right? So first theorem 10.1. So this is 90, this is 30, so this would be 60. Understood? Right? Abir, Amira, and Tejasvi, understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then we have completed this circle, right? So what was the other question that I gave? Yeah, so you have numerous questions, you guys. Please try these questions, right? And so you had this revision test, guys. So how did it go?
It go moderate.
Yeah, so it was not that okay.
No, it was moderate, not that good, not that bad.
Oh, it was not that bad. Good, good. So yeah, because I didn't make the question and it was not your exam, it was basically my test. So I don't know. So my fate will be decided by that exam. So I don't know. Did you guys do well? Yes,
Yes, sir.
good, good. So you guys have saved me, right? Then yeah. So whenever you guys come to Delhi, I will give you some treat, right? So whenever you guys come. Okay, so we have done this circle chapter, right? We have completed this one circles. We have completed probability.
Yes, sir.
So in Amira school, they are asking this what? This statistics, right? Because in your half yearly, the statistics chapter is there. And Abir, you have this application of trigonometry. So will that come in your exam?
No, sir.
Then
Currently, we are having only revision tests, and mine is already over. Maths is already over. So
math.
currently, we are doing second term portions.
Oh, okay, good, good. So which means that yeah, so only they are doing the revision of maths, right?
Yes, sir. And then now we are doing AP.
AP. Oh, good, good. So we have done lots of questions from the AP. So
Yes, sir.
yeah. So how's that experience helping you in your class?
Yes, sir. It's really nice because I missed the first week of school because I was still in India.
Yeah.
So it was easy for me to catch up, and I was able to solve the questions by myself at home. I didn't have to ask for any help or go through any videos.
Good, 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 good guys. So yeah, uh, good. Okay, so that really cheers me up and that really motivates me. Good guys. Okay, so now, okay, this is your class. So
In our school, the whole book of maths is finished.
Oh, you have what? Whole book?
The whole syllabus of the maths is completed in our school.
The whole syllabus is completed in your school.
Yes, sir.
So, are they going to just close your school, or because if the syllabus is completed, then
No,
so
sir, extra classes and revision.